While I was at my brother's wedding last week, I sent my dog Bump to his favorite kennel, Shaggy Tails. And instead of paying them for the stay, I offered to build them a sign to be hung outside of their business. Now, it was a relatively simple, straightforward design. All I did was take their logo, put it in Vcarve, and put it into a format that I could actually send to my CNC and let it do all the work. Started out by ripping down a 2x4 sheet of plywood that I picked up at Home Depot. The plywood was actually pre-sanded, but I wanted to make sure it was smooth, so I just gave it a quick once over with 220 sandpaper and then just applied a primer and about 3, maybe 4 coats of an exterior grade paint. So anyone that is around Calhoun, Georgia and needs to have their pets groomed, or they got to put them in the kennel for a few days while you're on vacation, go see Christine out at Shaggy Tails. She's great. She treats the dogs as if they're her own, and you can't go wrong with her. She's out in Sonoraville. After letting the paint dry, it was time to mask it off. I've tried many different methods over the years of masking a project that's going to be cut on a CNC machine and had absolutely no success. I've recently seen other woodworkers using a product called OraMask, and I decided on this project to give it a shot. The OraMask did great. There were some wood fibers that were standing up from the board. That's because I was using an upcut bit when I probably should have been using a downcut bit. With the masking still in place, it's just a matter of painting the carved out areas and letting it dry up. When I started taking off the masking, there were a few spots that took up some of the white paint. Now, I don't think this was actually the OraMask's fault. I think it was more my anxiousness to get it off to see the final result. Now that the masking's off, I decided to go back in and touch up a few spots here and there. Probably didn't really need it, but I'm a perfectionist, so gotta get as close to perfect as possible. Now that the parts are painted, CNC'd, and looking good, it's time to start building a frame out of poplar. Frame that goes around the CNC'd out parts of the sign are actually designed on the fly. If I had to do it over again, I would have taken a little more time and planned it out to where the frame actually had a rabbet to maximize the glue area and to avoid using pocket holes on the back to connect the two pieces. Again, I really didn't want to have to use pocket holes because I wasn't going to be able to hide them. But with the boards hanging outside, I needed a strong connection there, more than just glue and brad nails, and pocket holes were just the best solution. Please like, comment below, share with your friends and family, and hit that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to check out Shaggy Tails Pet Salon in Sonoraville. I'll put the link in the description below. See you guys on the next one.